Welcome to the PC Error Detective YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to open a .gz file in Windows 10 step by step. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Step 1. First, open your web browser and go to Google. Step 2. Click on the search box and type WinRAR. Step 3. In the search results, click on the first website. It should be the official WinRAR website. Step 4. On the website, look for the download button and click on it. Step 5. Once again, click on the download button to start downloading the WinRAR installer. Step 6. After the download is complete, open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to install WinRAR on your computer. Step 7. Now, go to your desktop and locate the .gz file that you want to open. Step 8. Right-click on the .gz file and in the context menu, hover over the WinRAR option. Step 9. Click on Extract here. This will extract the contents of the .gz file in the same location, allowing you to access the extracted files easily. And that's it. Thanks for watching.